they say, oh, it costs the same amount to feed a good chicken as it does a bad chicken. Well, my answer always to that is cheaper to feed one that don't exist. If he ain't on a tie
That's
cord,
right.
it's cheaper. That's the cheapest way to go. The cheapest way to go is don't put him on a tie cord. Don't put him in a pen. Don't put
Right.
him in a fly pen. I say instead of being a good one the same price as a bad one, I say the best option is don't feed him at all. If you know
That's right.
that if that's the philosophy that you kind of want to go towards. So
Yeah.
so Mr.